Hey, how are you guys doing today? It's Justin Cooper at Total Roofing and Construction. We're out here in Fountain View Condominiums in Griffith, Indiana. Right here behind me, we have a deck that we're getting ready to start rebuilding. Right now we're at the concrete stage. So we demoed the pole in the corner. We did a pre-pour, dug the hole out to the new building codes, and then we just poured the concrete. So we're letting that sit up for a few days, and then starting next week, we'll be building the whole second level and the whole third level from the ground up, a whole new deck. We'll be beefed up poles on the corners, all new headers and footers, ceiling joists, and the railings all the way around. We're out here working on one of the porches right now. As you can tell, each deck has an AC system on each deck. So what we're doing is we're supporting the second level deck as we replace the first level deck. So we have it supported up by the third deck. As you can tell, we have it ratcheted up and anchored into the third deck. So the guys are able to completely remove the second floor deck and then rebuild the new system. Right now they're working on putting the boards all the way around the perimeter. Once we get that all mounted up, then we'll be installing the floorboards and then the rail, and then we'll start working off the second deck onto the third deck. And then you'll see the finished project.